I work hard, and nobody can argue with how hard I work. And I don't ask for no shortcuts. So when it's time for me to treat myself, I'ma treat myself to this. And I'ma walk around here and I'ma be proud of me.
I'm on a different mission. I'm chasing the bag. I'm grinding every day. I'm barely sleeping. I love the pressure. You thinking I can't do something, thinking I ain't gonna be successful. I love that type of pressure.
I've understood that I'm no longer who I used to be, and I'm fine with that. I've made peace with that. You know, I'm becoming. I'm a man now.
I look at myself as becoming or slowly changing into the man I want to be.
What's that vision?
Great father, good entrepreneur. Also somebody got their business.